Hi. So I came up with this idea, right? About journaling about my hair. So I'm going to go back into how I got started. Yeah, it was herbs, herbal teas. I used to drink them all the time. But I knew it was something that I needed for my hair. So I decided to make some herbal hair oil. This was like way back in the day. I would say over 10 years ago. Yeah, I wanted my hair to look just like that. Very long. Of course, her hair is not touching the floor, but I believe my hair could get that long. Well, let's go into the journey. When I did my big chop, as you can see, this is my little mini afro. Yeah, that's me. I'm always so happy no matter what. I don't care if I'm having a bad hair day. Well, with one exception of a bad hair day. But this is how I want to look. Oh, wait a minute, that's not me. No, that's me right there. Yeah, that's me sporting my little afro puffs, but guess what? It's me in reality trying to get my hair to grow. Needless to say, although I was having a lot of health problems, I still was wearing my hair in these little horrible looking hairdos. But nevertheless, my hair started growing and you can see it's just thick and vibrant, just using all my natural products. Well, later I started doing some other things with my hair, and as you can see, my hair looks very thin on this video right here. I had African threads in, and my hair looks very thin. Of course, you got to combine the health problems along with the products that I was call myself trying to use. So basically, I was getting this type of hair shed every single week. It was bad. As you can see in this clip, my hair looks very, very skinny and thin. And I must say it had a lot to do with my health problems, but I was dabbling into other products. I had to make a change. So guess what? I went back to what worked. Even when I had health problems, my oils on my scalp worked very well. It kept my hair growing. I started back with the aloe and the rice water, which worked perfectly. I came up with an ingredient that no one knows about yet. Don't worry, sister, I'll tell you that later. But yeah, the green tea scalp fertilizer, I've been starting to use that again every other month because I realized that my hair had lost a lot of volume. So now when you look at it, it looks so healthy. It looks very voluminous and it's growing. So I just wanted to throw all this in for you guys that I'm on a hair care journey and it's serious for me. I have results, and if you want results, won't you join me? If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Talk to you soon.